AWS CloudTrail is a powerful service designed to help you monitor, audit, and secure your AWS environment. It automatically records actions taken by users, roles, or AWS services as events. These events capture activity from the AWS Management Console, CLI, SDKs, and APIs, giving you a comprehensive view of what's happening in your account. CloudTrail supports three main ways to record events: Event History, CloudTrail Lake, and Trail. Event History provides a searchable, downloadable, and immutable record of the past 90 days of management events in each AWS region. CloudTrail Lake acts as a managed data lake for capturing and analyzing user and API activity, while Trails deliver and store events in Amazon S3 buckets, with optional integration into CloudWatch logs and EventBridge. With CloudTrail, you gain the visibility needed for security, compliance, and operational best practices. Accessing AWS CloudTrail is flexible and user-friendly. You can interact with CloudTrail through the AWS Management Console, the AWS Command Line Interface, CLI, REST-full APIs, or AWS SDKs. The console offers a graphical interface for viewing recent events, creating and editing trails, and managing CloudTrail Lake event data stores. With the CLI, you can automate tasks and integrate CloudTrail into scripts and workflow. APIs and SDKs provide programmatic access, allowing developers to build custom solutions for event monitoring and analysis. CloudTrail's event history is available by default, giving you immediate visibility into the last 90 days of management events. For ongoing or advanced use cases, you can set up Trails or CloudTrail Lake event data stores to retain and analyze events over longer periods, integrate with other AWS services, and meet compliance requirements. CloudTrail captures several types of events to give you a complete picture of your AWS environment. Management events track control plane operations such as creating or deleting resources and are logged by default. Data events provide detailed information about resource operations like S3 object access or Lambda function executions, but must be explicitly enabled. Work activity events record API calls made via VPC endpoints, offering visibility into resource operations within a VPC. Insights events are unique. They detect and log unusual patterns in API call rates or error rates, helping you identify and respond to potential security incidents or operational issues. Each event type is recorded in a standardized JSON format, making it easy to analyze and integrate with other tools. By configuring which events to log, you can tailor CloudTrail to your organization's security and compliance needs. Trails and CloudTrail Lake are the core mechanisms for long-term event storage and advanced analysis. Trails deliver a continuous stream of events to an Amazon S3 bucket, optionally integrating with CloudWatch logs and EventBridge for real-time monitoring and automation. You can create multi-region trails to capture activity across all AWS regions or single-region trails for more targeted logging. Organization trails extend this capability across all accounts in an AWS organization, centralizing event collection for compliance and governance. CloudTrail Lake, on the other hand, is a managed data lake that aggregates, stores, and enables SQL-based analysis of events. It supports dashboards for visualizing trends, integrates with external sources, and offers advanced event selectors for fine-grained control. Both options support encryption and tagging for security and management. By leveraging Trails and CloudTrail Lake, you can ensure comprehensive visibility and meet even the most demanding audit requirements. Maximize the benefits of AWS CloudTrail, follow best practices for security and cost management. Always enable multi-region trails to ensure you capture all activity, and use encryption with AWS KMS for sensitive log files. Regularly review and validate log file integrity to detect tampering. Integrate CloudTrail with CloudWatch logs for real-time monitoring, and set up SNS notifications for log delivery. Use advanced event selectors to filter and control which events are logged, optimizing both security and cost. For compliance, leverage organization trails and CloudTrail Lake to centralize and retain logs as required by your policies. Finally, monitor insights events to quickly detect and respond to anomalies. By implementing these strategies, you'll maintain a secure, auditable, and cost-effective AWS environment.